Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, let un is equal to 4 minus 1 by n to the power minus 1 to the power n by n, where n belongs to natural numbers, and let L is equal to limit n tends to infinity un. Then which of the following statements is true? Now looking at un, we can write u2n is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 to the power 2n by 2n. Now since 2n is even, minus 1 to the power even number is 1. So this becomes 4 minus 1 by 2n to the power 1 by 2n. u2n minus 1 similarly becomes 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Now 2n minus 1 is odd, so minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1 would be minus 1. So minus 1 by 2n minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1. Now u2n and u2n minus 1 will obtain the same limit if and only if L is equal to 1. Hence, looking at the options, option D, that is L is equal to 1 and the series summation n is equal to 1 up to infinity un is divergent, is the correct option. The next question is, let an, where n greater than is equal to 1, be a sequence defined as follows. a1, that is the first term of the sequence, is equal to 1 and an plus 1 is equal to 7an plus 11 by 21, where n belongs to natural numbers. Then which of the following statements is true? Now a1 is equal to 1, so a2 becomes 7a1 plus 11 by 21, that is 7 plus 11 by 21 or 18 by 21, which is equal to 6 by 7. Now a3 becomes 7 a2 plus 11 by 21, that is 6 plus 11 by 21, which is 17 by 21, that is less than a2. And a2 over here was less than a1, so we can say that the sequence an is decreasing and say the limit is obtained. So we can say that L is equal to 7L plus 11 by 21, or 21L is equal to 7L plus 11, or 14L is equal to 11 into L is equal to 11 by 14. So the correct option is option D. an is a decreasing sequence with limit n tending to infinity. An is equal to 11 by 14. The next question is, let f belongs to the closed interval 0, 1 be a function defined as ft is equal to t cube into 1 plus 1 by 5 cos log to the base e t to the power 4 if t belongs to 0, 1 and 0 if t is equal to 0, and capital Fx is equal to integration small ft dt limits from 0 to x, then capital F double dash 0 equals. Now f double dash 0 is equal to small f dash 0. Now this can be found out as limit h tending to 0 fh minus f0 by h minus 0. Now f0 would be 0 since 0 cube is 0, and you get h cube 1 plus 1 by 5 cos log e t to the power 4 by h. So this h cancels out and here we get h squared. Now h squared is equal to 0 for limit h tending to 0. So f double dash 0 equals 0. That is option A.